Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator collapsed into the oversold zone. Bitcoin has added 7.4% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator has bounced upwards into the overbought zone. The price of gold has gained 1.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator transitioned into the positive area. The price of crude oil has added 2.2% in the last two sessions. The RSI shifted into positive territory.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Oil rose further above $50 a barrel as optimism from the rollout of coronavirus vaccines balanced out lockdowns in Europe and forecasts of a slower demand recovery. The Australian dollar eased against the greenback in the last session, retreating from 2.5-year highs hit in the previous session, as the US dollar found some support against a falling Chinese yuan. Sovereign is launching a lending and derivatives market on the RSK Bitcoin sidechain in a bid to promote DeFi on Bitcoin.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The UK Rightmove House Price Index will be released at 0:01 GMT. The Japanese Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT, the U.S. Export Price Index at 13:30 GMT, the German Services PMI at 8:30 GMT, the Eurozone's Manufacturing PMI at 900 GMT, and the Eurozone's Market Composite PMI at 900 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.